Good afternoon, cave dwellers. Welcome to the Man Cave, Bobby's Man Cave. Today we have a little Legends Flashback Blast made by AT Games. We'll unbox it and see what it's like, and we're going to try it out on the TV. So let's quickly have a look at the box. Really nice box actually. It's the Space Invaders version. I think they have like 5 or 6 different versions of this. This has got 12 built-in games. Let's have a look on the back. It's got Burger Time. Yes, I love Burger Time. Burning Rubber, Escape It, Frontline, Jungle Hunt, Lock and Chase, Miss It, Paralyze, Shield Shifter, Space Invaders, Space Raid and Strip Off. So that's going to be pretty cool. So let's open it. Pretty excited about this one. Let's see what's inside. So, oh wow. So you get a pretty cool Space Invaders keyring. Get some stickers. Not exactly an instruction booklet, but it looks pretty in depth. So this is the dongle. Wow, that's nice. HDMI. And you get a cable. And that's it there. And this is the pad. So it takes, I think, let's have a look. Yeah, 2 AAA batteries. Let's have a feel of it. Not too bad. There's no shoulder buttons. So you get an X, Y, Z, A, B, C, start, menu and a rewind, and on top there's an on-off switch, and basically that's it. So yeah, I'll just set all this up and see how it goes, and I'll catch you all later. So here we are. I've just set it up. Pretty simple really. It took about 30 seconds. Put the HDMI dongle in the TV, and the USB lead goes into one of the USB ports on your TV to power it, and here we go. So we got Legends Flashback Blast, 12 games, and let's have a quick go on them all. So the first one is Space Invaders. Let's see how it looks. So player 1, yeah. Right, go straight into the game. Yeah, it looks pretty sweet. Burger Time, my favourite. Just go down. Burning Rubber, let's have a look at that. That is awesome. Let's get going. Oh no! Escape it. Oh. Frontline. Let's go. Oh, this is awesome. Oh no, I died. Go Hunt. Oh, I love this game. Let's go for it. Ooh. Oof. This is awesome. Lock and chase. And there we go. This is a bit like Pac-Man. Miss it. Let's play. Oh, I remember this game. Oh no. Also, Paralysis. Let's go on this one. The submarine one. Yeah, I remember this one too on the Atari 2600. Oh no! Shield shifter. I think this is like Breakout. Yeah. Whoa. This is awesome on Commodore 64. Let's have a look to see what it's like on here. Ah. Nice one, strip off. So this little guy takes all your blocks, I think. If I remember rightly. Wow, mega hard. So it's £6.99 for lots of fun. Awesome little thing. Well, thanks for watching. I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.